hairpin turn like structure is called as syntaxial band. Syntaxial band. In one of the exam, they ask you syntaxial band is the feature of, and the options are Himalayas mountain, your northern plain of India, peninsular plateaus, like this. So it is a very simpler question, but आपको इसके लिए एटलीस्ट ये चीज़ पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So this is like a syntaxial band, and if you see the shape, it is like a half moon shape. So these are the half moon shape, you can say half moon shape, and also if you see the short, some of the shorts, so it is also look like a short. So half moon shape or the short shape, जो आपका तलवार होता है उसके जैसा बोल सकते हैं, या इसको बोल सकते हैं हाफ मून शेप, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर बैंड इज कॉल्ड एज योर सिंटेक्सियल बैंड. सो दिस इज द एक्सटेंसिव माउंटेन चेन विच इज कॉल्ड एज द ग्रेटर हिमालयन माउंटेन चेन, एंड ओवर दिस पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन चेन वी हैव द सम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पीक्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अगर इस इंडिया का पूरा ग्रेटर हिमालयस को देखेंगे, सो इट हैज सम ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड विच इंक्लूड, सॉरी आई फॉरगेट वन थिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर Karakoram, समवेयर हियर लाइज दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉल्ड योर Godwin Austen. Okay, so this is the Godwin Austen, second highest peak. Okay, so this is the second highest peak of the world after your that particular Mount Everest. So this is the Godwin Austen, but now we'll see all the mountains in this particular greater Himalayas. I will start from this particular Sikkim region. Here this particular is your, this जो आपका सिक्किम पे है, this is your Kanchenjunga. Okay, and this particular Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of India. So highest peak of India, if they ask, so Kanchenjunga, highest peak of Himalayas, highest peak of Himalayas in India, you can say highest peak of Himalayas or highest peak of greater Himalayas. If question is highest peak of greater Himalayas in India, it is Kanchenjunga. Highest peak of India, it is Godwin Austen, and highest peak of Himalayas, it is Mount Everest. Please remember these three facts. Highest peak of India, Godwin Austen. Highest peak of greater Himalayas, Kanchenjunga. And highest peak of India, so sorry, highest peak of great Himalayas mountain, it is your Mount Everest. So this is Kanchenjunga mountain. Now in this particular section of Himalayas here, so of Nepal, this particular is called as your Sagarmatha, or Sagarmatha are also called as your greater Himalayas. So sorry, this is Mount Everest or Sagarmatha. So this particular is the Mount Everest. So this is Mount Everest, or also called as your Sagarmatha. On this particular section Mount Everest, here we have in this particular section touching the China, see one of the mountain is started India, और यहाँ पर इंडिया पे ही है. So this is the mountain called Gauri Shankar. Gauri Shankar mountain asked in the UPPSC, लास्ट ईयर का जो UPPSC आया था उसमें पूछा गया था which of the mountain start in India and goes towards the China. तो ये वाला जो है वो क्या होगा आपका गौरी शंकर. So this is the Gauri Shankar. About on this side of Gauri Shankar we have Loshote. So we have the Loshote mountain, we have Mount Everest, we have Kanchenjunga. On this particular section of Kanchenjunga we have here as your Annapurna mountain. So this is the Annapurna mountain. On this particular side of Annapurna here we have Makalu. Okay, so we have Makalu or Masalu or Mansalu. So okay, so these are the various mountains, important mountain peaks. I am giving you that particular in the notes as well, तो आप वहाँ से भी read कर सकते हैं. I am just plotting here so that once you read that particular note, it will become much easier for you. So please remember at least this mountain ranges from west to east and east to west. At least इसको कर लेना, and also in terms of their height. Okay, so I have given both in your handouts. तो आपको height के हिसाब से भी दे दिया और इसके हिसाब से भी. At least read that particular thing. Okay, so we have all this particular mountain range here present in this particular greater Himalayas. While moving from this particular region of greater Himalayas, यहाँ से अगर देखेंगे, so we have the Patkai Bum, we have Naga Hills, we have Manipur Hills, Mizo Hills, Arkaniyoma, Pegiuma and all others mountain range. ठीक है, so in greater Himalayas it is a long extensive mountain chain comprising of all these mountains. So this is about the greater Himalayas. Now we will see the middle Himalayas. We will see the middle Himalayas as such. Okay, so if we see ये वाला जो पार्ट है, दिस विल कम अ बिट लोअर लाइक दिस, इट विल गो लाइक दिस, एंड अगेन आई विल ड्रॉ इट अ बिट लोअर, बिट हियर, it will go like this, so that your greater Himalayas will go from that particular region. Now we will see the middle Himalayas. Middle Himalayas. So in this particular middle Himalayas, first of all, it is not a long extensive chain. It is a broken series of mountain ranges. So it has a broken series of ranges. ठीक है, और ये why there is a broken series of ranges, because we have seen already वहाँ पर क्या था, pressure is extensive because of the extensive pressure during their formation, because of extensive pressure during their formation. ठीक है, सो जब ये फॉर्म हो रहे थे तो वहाँ पर प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रेशर इट डेवलप इनटू द सीरीज ऑफ रेंजेस ऑफ माउंटेन विच इंक्लूड, फर्स्ट वन इज योर पीर पंजल, देन वी हैव धौलाधार, देन आफ्टर धौलाधार वी विल हैव द महाभारत रेंज, देन वी हैव द नाग तिब्बा, ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो बिटवीन महाभारत एंड धौलाधार वी हैव द मसूरी रेंज. सो वी हैव मसूरी रेंज, एंड प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, यहाँ पर जो आपका दिख रहा है हियर, दिस इज द बंगाल द्वार, दिस इज द बंगाल द्वार. सो यू विल नॉट सी द ग्रेटर हिमालयाज और द मिडिल, सॉरी नॉट ग्रेटर हिमालयाज, यू विल नॉट सी द मिडिल हिमालयाज. आपके बंगाल द्वार के बाद आपको क्या नहीं दिखेगा, मिडिल हिमालयाज नहीं दिखेगा. बिफोर दैट यू विल सी द मिडिल हिमालयाज. ओके, सो प्लीज सी दिस पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन्स रेंजेस. I will take the third marker or the green one for your greater Himalayas. So we will start this particular Himalayas. It will start from here. Between this greater Himalayas and here, this particular region is called as the Valley of Kashmir. So यहाँ पर आपका दिखेंगे, so लद्दाख वाला जो कैलाश रेंज है, जानस्कर greater Himalayas here. Between this particular thing, greater Himalayas, Janskar and your Pir Panjal, we have the Valley of Kashmir. So this is the Valley of Kashmir और कश्मीर घाटी जो बोलते हैं, Valley of Kashmir. Okay, so this particular region. Now I will draw the Pir Panjal. So from here, this first thing, this particular in Jammu, it is called as your Pir Panjal. So this is the Pir Panjal range. After Pir Panjal, here in this particular section, ये वाला जो है, this is the Dhauladhar. So this is your Dhauladhar. Okay, in this particular Uttarakhand section we will have somewhere here, this is your Mussoorie range, famous for IAS training centers, Labasna is there. So this is the Mussoorie range. Okay, after Mussoorie range here, it will also goes in the part of Nepal, it will touch here. So it is the Mahabharat range. So this is the Mahabharat range, and after Mahabharat range on this section we have Nag Tibba. So this is the Nag Tibba. Okay, so these are the various part of your middle Himalayas, and this Himalayas range is not an extensive mountain, but it is broken into the many halves by because of the extensive pressure there. So this is your Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, Mussoorie, Mahabharat range and Nag Tibba. Okay, so these are the middle Himalayan ranges. So middle Himalaya के range ये सारे के सारे हैं, where you can write about all this thing. Then we will talk about the other part of Himalayas, which is also called as your Shivalik Himalayas. So now we will draw the map of your Shivalik Himalayas. Shivalik Himalayas. I have already given you the much of information regarding how these are formed. So आपको पता है all three are formed because of your particular thing called your plate boundary interaction. So above three are of your marine origin, and now this particular Shivalik is uplifted because of your fluvial origin. So upliftment of Shivalik from the sediments of fluvial origin that are deposited in which of the part? In northern plain of India. Okay, northern plains of India. So we have your Shivalik range then, and Shivalik is again a continuous mountain chain. So Greater Himalayas continuous mountain chain, and Shivalik is also a continuous mountain chain. So I will draw a part of Shivalik here. It will start like this. from here you will have the Shivalik range, and Shivalik will be on the upper part of your Uttar Pradesh. So Shivalik is like this particular. Here we have the Shivalik range. From above, from this your Nag Tibba, we have this particular Shivalik range like here. So these are the Shivaliks. And on this section, if you see this particular Shivalik, and in this section we have the extension in form of the 4 mountains. This particular is your, and all lies in this particular Arunachal Pradesh area. So this particular, this one I'll draw second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, so these are the 4 mountains. I'll mark it as 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So I'll write the name of all those 4 here. 1 2 3 4. Please remember, like, okay, I'll plot like this: 1 2 3 4. This 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first one is your Dafla. This is your Dafla mountain range. Then we have your Miri. Then we have Abor, and the last one is your Mismi. Okay, don't miss me, it's a Mismi. So we have the Dafla, Miri, Abor, Mishmi. Sometimes people say, sir, I miss you. So I'll say, don't miss me. So this is the Mishmi, this is Abor, this is Miri, and this particular is your Dafla. So these are the 4 mountains of this particular region: Dafla, Abor, Miri, Mishmi. If you see, this is the this particular section here. And this is the plateau part, and the plateau part also we have the 2 of the mountains. First one lies here. So if you talk about the Garo, Khasi and Jaintia, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia is not part of the Himalayas. Those are the part of your peninsular plateau lying over your Meghalaya plateaus. ठीक है, तो उसको हम लोग वहाँ पर देखेंगे, not here. So Dafla, Abor, Miri, Mishmi, and here somewhere here we have the Bareil mountain. So here we have the Bareils and Regma. So Bareil and Regma. So these are the Bareil and Regma mountains. Okay, so these are the your Shivalik mountains. So particularly we have this particular Shivalik mountain, and Shivalik mountain here, this particular ये देखा जाएगा. So ये है आपका बंगाल द्वार, and Shivalik is of your fluvial origin. So this is the particular series of your mountain which lies in the Himalayas mountain chain. तो आपका ये क्या है, पूरा का पूरा Himalayan mountain chains के part है. And in this particular section, if you see in Pir Panjal areas or in this particular middle Himalayas, we have some of this particular region where we have the transportation, where we can develop the transportation area easier. So यहाँ पर, so in this particular range of this particular middle Himalayas only, we have the some of the important hill station located in this particular region. So in middle Himalayas we have the some of the important hill station from this particular region of Jammu and Kashmir also. So here we have the in Kashmir of Valley of Kashmir, where we have Gulmarg. Why, what is this particular Gulmarg? So Marg is a form of grassland. Okay, earlier there was a water get drained out, and that particular remaining left is called as your Marg. So we have the Gulmarg, also we have Sonmarg. Okay, we have Gulmarg, Sonmarg in that particular, in this region between this particular. Then we have the Masuri. So we have Masuri. Okay, in this particular area of Uttarakhand or your Himachal Pradesh, we have the Alwar as a hill station. We have Nainital. So we have the most of the famous hill stations like here, Nainital, Alwar and all. And in this particular region of Dhauladhar and here Greater Himalayas का part, तो यहाँ पर we will have the Chamba Valley. So we will have the Chamba Valley as such. Okay, and in this particular region of your Sikkim के यहाँ पर आपका क्या आएगा, there lies in Sikkim your Chumbi Valley. So in Sikkim, the part of your Greater Himalayas, we have Chumbi Valley. All these valleys are famous. Okay, please remember. So here we have the Chumbi Valley and some of the important passes. Why passes are important? Because इस तरह के mountain में आपको cross करना है, तो you will need some of the passes जहाँ से आप जाएंगे. So in this particular Ladakh region, if you see this particular, so there many of the passes lies. I will start with this particular Khyber, then Bolan, and in this particular Greater Himalayas अगर देखेंगे, so here in Greater Himalayas some of the passes are here called Jojila Pass. In Pir Panjal here we have the Banihal Pass. Okay, again in this particular region of Greater Himalayas we will see here 2 of the important pass in Uttarakhand. One is your Niti Pass, other one is your Shipkilla, and from that Shipkilla only your river Satluj enter the India. I'll give all this in your notes. So this particular Shipkilla से आपका river Satluj वहाँ से enter करती है. Okay, and in this particular Sikkim, if you see, so in Sikkim we will have your Nathula and also Jalepla. Okay, so we will have some of the important passes. I'll give you name with respect to your which all the states or the union territories of, so आपका उस तरह से आप कर लेना. I'll give you the name of that particular passes and also of the state, so that you can remember that for the match the following kind of question, वो वहाँ पर आपको काम आएगा. So we have Banihaal Pass, we have Khyber Bolan, Banihaal, Jojila, we have the your Shipkilla, Niti Pass, we have the Nathula, Jalepla. So we have the many passes lies over in this particular region. I'll give you the information of all the passes in the map classes. ठीक है, हम लोग मैप का क्लास करेंगे, वहाँ पर I'll give you the information and also I'll give you in that particular notes only. ठीक है, so these are the various north to south division of this particular Himalayas, where we talk about the Trans Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and Shivalik Himalayas. If you see this particular Himalaya section, so it is like this. It is like this. Okay, so a kind of a simple structure, if I draw a simple structure for this particular Himalaya section, अगर Himalayan section का एक हम लोग सिंपल सा मैप को अगर समझते हैं, इस चीज़ को देखें, so we'll say the Himalaya will look like this particular thing. कैसा दिखेगा हिमालय? Himalaya will look like this. So this is the Himalayas. Okay, so in the western part, if you see the western part of Himalayas, western section, and these are the eastern section. ओके, सो टुवर्ड्स द वेस्ट हिमालयाज इज बिट ब्रॉडर, और यहाँ पर इसका विड्थ ज़्यादा है. द पर्टिकुलर लेंथ ऑफ हिमालयाज इज अराउंड 2400 किलोमीटर्स. सो ये पूरा का पूरा लेंथ है 2400 किलोमीटर. इफ़ यू सी द विड्थ ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया, इट इज़ अराउंड 400 to 450 किलोमीटर्स. 400 किलोमीटर के अराउंड यहाँ पर है, और हियर इफ़ यू सी इट इज़ अराउंड 100 to 150 किलोमीटर्स. ओके, सो विड्थ इज विड्थ मोर टुवर्ड्स योर वेस्टर्न देन टुवर्ड्स योर ईस्टर्न. बट इफ़ यू सी the most of the highest peaks of this particular Himalayas lies in the eastern part. So the eastern part has most of the highest peaks of the world. Highest peaks. Why? Because आपका यहाँ क्यों होगा यहाँ पर सबसे सारे के सारे हाईएस्ट पीक? बिकॉज देयर पीक्स आर स्टीपर देन दिस पर्टिकुलर रीजन. यहाँ पर क्या बहुत चौड़े हैं. सो हियर वी हैव द वाइडर स्लिप और द ग्रेडियंट यहाँ पर जो होगा स्लोप का, वी हैव द वाइडर स्लोप, और द इसका जो ग्रेडियंट है, ग्रेडियंट इज मोर. ग्रेडियंट ऑफ स्लोप जो होगा यहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगा, एंड ग्रेडियंट ऑफ स्लोप इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ईस्टर्न सेक्शन इज लेस. सो वी हैव द स्टीपर स्लोप. स्टीपर स्लोप कैसा होगा ये? ईस्टर्न हिमालयज विल हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस ओरिएंटेशन एंड द वेस्टर्न हिमालयज विल हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस ओरिएंटेशन. ठीक है, सो ये क्या है? स्टीपर स्लोप होगा. दिस आर द वाइडर स्लोप. सो फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ स्टीपर स्लोप एंड वाइडर स्लोप, इफ़ यू हैव टू क्लाइम द माउंटेन्स, अगर आप एक माउंटेन क्लाइंबर हैं एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू क्लाइम द दिस पर्टिकुलर हिमालयाज रीजन रेंजेस, सो आपको किस सेक्शन से चढ़ना ईजियर होगा? सो इट इज़ ऑलवेज ईजियर इफ़ यू स्टार्ट योर क्लाइंबिंग फ्रॉम द वेस्टर्न सेक्शन रादर देन फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न हाफ. वाई? तो अगर आप वेस्ट से करेंगे तो आपका क्या है? स्लोप कुछ ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो उसका स्लोप क्या है? वो धीरे धीरे अपना स्लोप चेंज कर रहा है, धीरे धीरे ये इस तरह से जा रहा है. बट हियर द स्लोप इज़ लाइक दिस. इफ़ यू आर अ ड्राइवर, इफ़ यू आर ड्राइविंग अ कार इन दिस पर्टिकुलर माउंटेन, इफ़ यू सी like this, then you can ride your car. But if you see the mountain like this, तो कैसे आप ऐसे थोड़ी चलाएंगे? ठीक है, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. तो इस तरह से आप नहीं चला सकते. ठीक है, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन ये जो बन रहा है, यहाँ वी हैव द स्टीपर स्लोप एंड हियर वी हैव द वाइडर स्लोप. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रेडियंट डिफरेंस. दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन इफ यू सी, दिस आर द वाइडर, दिस आर द स्टीपर. सो आपका क्या है? वेस्टर्न एंड दिस आर द ईस्टर्न हिमालयस. देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंसेज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर हिमालयस. आई विल टॉक अबाउट दैट वंस आई विल कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. हम लोग देखेंगे उसको इन द फीचर्स सेक्शन ऑल्सो. So these are the all about your Himalayas, your from north to south division. Okay, so now we will see some of the differences in terms of, not the differences, first of all we will complete the third part of this particular lecture where we will talk about the east and west section of Himalayas. ठीक है, so these are the north south division of Himalayas. We will talk about the, again I am repeating, north south में हमने क्या क्या देखा? We have talk about the Trans Himalayas where we see the three mountains, Janskar, Ladakh, Karakoram, and also Kailash range. We have talked about the Greater Himalayas as such. Then we talk about the Middle Himalayas section. Then we talk about the Shivalik Himalayas and various mountain ranges. Mountains कौन कौन से कहाँ पर present हैं. Please remember all this in the north south direction. Please remember this in the north south direction, east to west direction, whatever I give. क्योंकि वो उस तरह से ही दे देंगे. They will give you पीर पंजल, धौलाधर, महाभारत, मसूरी and all, and give you question. Arrange the following series of mountain range of Middle Himalayas from west to east or east to west. Then you will get confused अगर आपको ये चीज़ें बनाकर प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगा तो. So please prepare for that particular type of question where we will talk about the most of the geographical location of this particular Himalayas in the north south section. Now we will see some of the east west section. So we will now see the Himalayas ईस्ट वेस्ट डिवीजन और वेस्ट टू ईस्ट डिवीजन. सो विल टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर वेस्ट टू ईस्ट सेक्शन, ये जो हमने बनाया था. ओके, सो इफ विल सी दिस पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम ओनली, अगर हम इसी डायग्राम को यहाँ पर फिर से प्लॉट करते हैं, देन आई विल शो दैट इन योर दैट पर्टिकुलर मैप. If suppose this is the Himalayas, so the first one, Himalayas divided into the following sections. This particular section is called as your Kashmir Himalayas. Kashmir Himalay. Okay, Kashmir Himalay, and a bit here छोटा सा ऐसा होगा. This is called Punjab Himalayas. So what I say, ये दोनों को मिलाकर we'll say Kashmir plus Punjab Himalayas. So okay, so this is Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas. After Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas, we have the second section of Himalayas. इसको हम लोग यहाँ से हटा देते हैं. So Kashmir and Punjab Himalay, the first section. Then we have the second Himalayas in the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand region called as your Kumaon Himalayas. Kumaon. So this is Kumaon Himalayas. Then we have the third section of Himalaya called as your Nepal Himalayas. So we have Nepal Himalay, and then the that particular section of Himalayas is called as your Assam Himalayas or Assam Himalayas. Okay, so these are the 4 east to west section of Himalayas. It will be like something like this. This particular section, if we will talk about this particular line, so the above one is this only Kashmir. Then here this is the Punjab, so this is the Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas. Okay, so this particular line till here, ये वाला जो बन रहा है, this is the Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas. Below this we have the Kumaon Himalayas at the Uttarakhand region, so we have something like this. This is the Kumaon Himalayas. Then we somewhere here is this particular thing called Nepal Himalayas, and post Nepal it is your Assam Himalayas. So this particular Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas, अगर इसकी बात करेंगे, so section को समझ लेते हैं. So it will start from river Indus. ठीक है, तो ये आपका रिवर इंडस से लेकर रिवर सतलज तक होगा. Okay, so we will have from river Indus to river Satluj. This is the Kashmir Himalayas. If you talk about this particular Assam Himalayas, तो यहाँ पर आपका क्या आएगा, and these are divided on the basis of river. So we have the river Kali here. So Satluj to Kali, this is Kumaon. From Kali to Tista river. From Kali to Tista we have Nepal Himalayas, and from Tista आगे जाएंगे तो ब्रह्मपुत्रा वाला सेक्शन, फ्रॉम यहाँ टिल योर ब्रह्मपुत्रा. So we will have your Assam Himalayas. Okay, so from Indus to Satluj we have Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas. Satluj to Kali we have Kumaon Himalayas. Kali to Tista we have Nepal Himalayas, and from Tista to Brahmaputra. From Tista to Brahmaputra we have your Assam Himalayas. So ये 4 सेक्शन हिमालयस के हैं. एंड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन ऑफ नेपाल हिमालयाज, ये सबसे आपका लार्जेस्ट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दिस सेक्शन लेंथ वाइज, देन दिस पर्टिकुलर नेपाल हिमालयाज कम्स फर्स्ट. Then we have your Assam Himalayas lengthwise second. Then we have your Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas. Then your Kumaon Himalayas. It's one of the exam they ask about the arrange the following Himalayas in terms of their length. So you will have the Nepal Himalayas first. Then there is your Assam Himalayas. Then Kumaon Himalayas. Then we have the Kashmir Himalayas. Its length is around 700 to 900 kilometers. Almost like this particular section, 700 up to 700 here, 2 to 300 like this particular. So out of this 2400 किलोमीटर्स ये सारे के सारे डिवाइड हैं. तो 900 के अराउंड इसका हो गया है, 600 के अराउंड ये है. ठीक है, सो 6 to 700 के अराउंड ये 400 के अराउंड है. ये आपका 200 to आपका 100 to 200 किलोमीटर्स के अराउंड है. सो एंड दैट मैनर दे आर द सेक्शंस इसका डिवाइडेड है. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ नॉर्थ टू साउथ, सॉरी इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर लेंथ. नाउ see, if the particular question talk about north south direction, then north south division of Himalayas you can write in the very easier manner. आपको पता है हर एक चीज़. If this the similar question asks about in this particular manner, so what you have to do, west to east. So if you talk about the Kashmir and Punjab Himalayas, please look here. So in this particular part we have this particular ranges. You can talk about the ranges, various valleys, various glaciers and all. Then if you talk about the Kumaon Himalayas, you can talk about this particular Dhauladhar, Mussoorie, various hill stations and all. In the Nepal Himalayas talk about all the highest peaks, mountains, उसके बारे में बताएंगे. And the Assam Himalayas you can talk about this particular thing only. कुछ अलग से सेक्शन नहीं बनेगा, सेक्शन वही रहेगा, सारे के सारे डिस्कशन वही रहेंगे, बट दिस आर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शनल फॉर्मेट. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट आपका डिवीजन ऑफ योर दिस पर्टिकुलर हिमालयाज. देन दिस इज द ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट डिवीजन ऑफ योर हिमालयाज. सो आई विल सम अप दिस क्लास इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, जहाँ पर हमने आपका नॉर्थ साउथ और ईस्ट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन देखा है. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल सी द वेरियस फीचर्स ऑफ हिमालयाज, जो इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स हिमालयस का है. विल टॉक अबाउट द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ हिमालयाज एज सच फॉर इंडिया. So we'll talk about the other things regarding this particular Himalayas. Okay, so I'll take 2 lectures for this particular Himalayas. This is the first lecture. In the other lecture I will talk about the various features of this particular Himalayas, and also I will give you the significance of Himalayas. अगर एक दिन में करेंगे तो it will become a bit heavier for you. तो हम लोग कल क्या करेंगे, इसके आगे का सेक्शन देखेंगे. Okay, and again this is my last lecture for the demo classes. From tomorrow all the videos will be uploaded in the Bilaspur IAS Academy app only. आपका कोई भी वीडियो इसके बाद यहाँ पर एज अ डेमो क्लास नहीं होगा. इफ़ यू एनीवन वांट टू टॉक टू मी दे कैन कॉल अस, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू रजिस्टर प्लीज़ जो भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डिटेल दिए गए हैं वहाँ पर आप उसको देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू ऑल फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी. थैंक यू.